Diet. What is a diet? Does a diet really facilitate you to lose weight? Are they healthy? Why would anyone want to progress on one? These are questions that nearly everybody is asking nowadays. First, despite my normal advice against diets, I should admit that in some circumstances, for a few people, they will help a person's weight loss program. Let me explain a pair of things, however. People today get confused after they hear the word diet. They sometimes think that it always applies to some special plan of eating which is meant to assist people slim. This isn't always so, and there was a time that the word was simply accustomed to indicate an inventory of what someone ate. Scholars would, and still do, discuss the diet of a tribe, nation, or cultural group. Doctors would prepare a listing of foods intended to accomplish some goal apart from weight loss, and also the word would be applied to its list of foods. Heck, I used to be placed on one as a tiny low child to work out what food could be causing an allergy I had at the time. The program will empower you to take control of your weight. Today, the word has come to mean a special list of foods you'll be able to or cannot eat if you want to reduce. Many of those have achieved almost mystical status, and lots have their own followings. Just watch how much the Atkins and South Beach diet has expanded itself in our community. Before Dr. Atkins came along and South Beach was discovered, I'm sure you remember such exciting diets as those centered around specific foods which practically guaranteed weight loss success. You may eat grapefruit, cabbage soup. Otherwise, you could enjoy the promised effects of the negative calorie diet. Most have faded away for three basic reasons. 1. People got uninterested in eating the identical thing meal after meal. 2. They were unrealistic in their expectations. How do you have cabbage soup when you are on holiday or at a business lunch? 3. Most of the time, it is not fit to work. 3. While going on a diet for a brief period may produce little loss for a few people, dieting is solely not the solution to a lifelong weight loss problem. If you're just some pounds overweight and need to drop some dress sizes by the marriage in a fortnight, a diet just might do the trick. And, for that short time, you may probably be ready to persist with it as long as you retain your goal seeable. The downside of a diet is threefold. 1. The results aren't permanent or life-changing. 2. It doesn't contribute to health and vitality. 3. It's going to actually contribute to weight gain. I have covered these subjects in additional depth in other articles I've got written. And, thanks to limited space, I will be able to just provide a fast overview of those topics. Most people won't continue a diet for a myriad of reasons, and it normally cannot be adapted to a brand new variety of eating, a lifestyle change. Admittedly, some people have hereditary or genetic situations that they can overcome, but which cause them to become overweight. However, for anyone, a minimum of a little of what made someone overweight could be a part of their life choices, and it's these choices which must be changed so as for permanent weight loss to occur. Limiting nutritional intake or restricting access to a good selection of nutritional options, like within the grapefruit or cabbage soup diet, also limits the individual's access to nutrients necessary to normal health. Eating some foods, or forms of foods, in excess may contribute to other health problems in some people. Our bodies are designed to work and react in certain ways, and this includes how they react and performance when changes occur in our diet. One among the consequences of a failed attempt is that the body may very well change on more weight than it originally had to upset, and will even still gain over a protracted period of your time following coming off the program. Real and lasting weight loss for health and fitness depends on 3 central points. 1. Regular physical activity. 2. Periods of rest. 3. A smart diet. Diet if you need to, but realize that for your health and for permanent weight loss, you want to do more. 1 last point. If you are doing favor to last a diet, please take a daily multivitamin to assist replace the nutrients you're missing. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.